Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to color grade in CapCut. Let's get started. Launch the CapCut app on your phone or computer. Load the video you want to apply color grading to by importing it into your CapCut project. Click on the Filters option from the bottom menu. Select the Scent option from the available filters to give your video a specific look and feel. Now click on the Adjust button to fine-tune your video. Brightness, set to -10. O contrast, set to 10. O exposure, set to -15. O sharpen, set to 80. Shadow, set to 10. O vignette, set to 15. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, save your changes and export your video. And that's it. You have successfully color graded your video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.